This is a review of some of the changes we made to the clamp pin. We've filled up this groove with nylon, so it made it a solid across there, so that makes it a lot stronger, less likely to break in the field. We also added these tabs here, 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 and here. That increases the width so it fits tighter into the base plate horizontally. We also made it tighter vertically with these 4 tabs. That makes it thicker, so it also fits tighter. In addition to that, we added these tabs on the back that stop the clamp pin from coming out prematurely. We also added a steel ring here, and that steel ring helps clean off the concrete after each use. We also added this spring wire here. Spring wire moves up and down. Now I'll show you how all that works together. So when the clamp pin is in use, in the set position, that ring locks into this back groove. See the back groove right here. We also added this slot here, 2 holes, plus a cap, and then this big groove. So the 2 holes are for this high viscosity oil that we've developed just for this application. So every time you cycle this, just a small amount of that oil is applied to the housing. This groove right here, when it's in the use position, that bottom spring wire stops this from rotating. So in the stripping mode, this can't go backwards like this. So it forces us to go straight. This bottom groove here locks the, when it's back all the way and stowed, that spring wire locks into that big groove, and that stops this from coming out. So when you're handling the panels, this won't flop out on you. Now I'll show you, demonstrate that. So it's in a strip mode. That spring wire is in that small groove, and that stops this from rotating the opposite direction, the direction that we don't want it to. Now when you come in the set position, that stops this from coming back. That ring is locked into that back groove, and that stops this from going back when you're setting. And of course, when you get ready to strip, you hit it with a hammer, and she stows down.